Well guys, check them out. They look and feel and exactly work like Apple AirPods second generation, but with fraction of price and offer the same great sound quality. Are you looking for something like this? If yes, this video is for you. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on these Apple AirPods second generation clones. They are exactly same as Apple AirPods second generation, even starting from the packaging itself. So in this video, we're going to go through each and every detail about this product, also the demonstration, and have a close look too. So you will have an idea that what you are getting into. And if you are interested in purchasing them, link is also available in the video description too. So without further ado, let's go ahead into the video, starting with the packaging itself, where in the front you're going to see the AirPod logo, which you exactly see in original packing. Then on the back of packaging, we have a detail about these true wireless earphone and the charging case. Now let's see what we have in the box. So here we have everything which come with this AirPod clones, starting with one multi-language supporting user manual, which is in Chinese as well as in English, explaining to you what are the specifications and how you're going to configure these earpods with your Apple device. They also come with the one lightning cable, not bad at all. Now in last but not least, AirPod charging case, where in the front of it you have a status indicator light, where on the back of charging case you have power on and off button, wireless charger, and also written on the back that designed in California, made in China. To be honest with you, from the first look, nobody can tell the difference at all, that they are the fake ones. Now as soon you open up battery compartment, you're going to see the green light in front of it, and they are ready to go. Well, the case doesn't look very bad at all. Now if you look into more detail, you're going to see detailed writing inside the charging case, which give you a very confidence that you are going into the great quality true wireless earbuds. Now under the base of charging compartment, we have our USB lightning port. Now from the first or the last look, I really can't differentiate between the original or the fake ones. They look fantastic in terms of their build quality. You can't really differentiate anything wrong with them. Even the writing on these earbuds is exactly on the same place you expect in original. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, that these AirPods also come with the wireless charging feature. So as soon you place them on a QR enabled wireless charger, right in here, they will straight away start to charge, and you're going to see the status indicator light on it. But that's not it. You can also use your lightning cable to charge these earbuds. Voila, there we go. Straight away working, no problem whatsoever. Now pairing these AirPods with your mobile phone is a straightforward job. You can use your iPhone as well as Android device. So first let's have a look into how to pair in Android mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is turn on the Bluetooth of your smartphone device and open up charging compartment of your AirPods. Then go into the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone device and make sure that your Bluetooth is in discovery mode, and within available devices you should be able to locate AirPods, which you can see right in here. Even the name is exactly the same. Simply select them. Now once they are connected with your smartphone device, they will be available within the paired devices. Now we are actually connected to enjoy the great sound quality. Now process of connecting these AirPods with your Apple devices is straightforward. Open the lid. There you go. Straight away you get the notification. You just saw that. Press the connect button here and press and hold this pairing button on the back. Voila, there we go. They are just connected, and here they're going to show you all the status of battery and everything you wanted to know about it right on your screen. Now close the lid. There we go. All done, working straight away. At completion of pairing process, you can enjoy the music straight away out of the box. Like to see how loud they are? Let me put the microphone near to them to give you an idea actually. Even the microphone near to it or far, actually I can still hear them outside. Not bad at all. Now it is very hard and difficult to judge the quality of something which you can't hear, But mark my words guys, I have reviewed so many earbuds in past and I can tell you they are great in the sound quality. Now the other good thing which I like the most about these earbuds is like as soon you place them inside the compartment and close the lid, they are shut. They are disconnected from your mobile phone, and if they needed a charge, they automatically start to get charged. That's it. That's how they work. Now here we are in the end of this video. I think I have shown you enough around these i500 true wireless earbuds, which are kind of a replica for Apple AirPods second generation. So much so they also come with the chip which communicate with your Apple devices and show you display right on your Apple phones too. Not bad at all, to be honest with you guys. That is extreme and it all works great as well. The sound quality which coming out of these i500 true wireless earbuds is fantastic as well. I can bet on this. If I compare the sound quality of these earbuds with the original ones, they will still beat them or go head to head with them for sure. Now if you're thinking of purchasing this, I will leave a link in the video description, or if you would like to know more about these, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will be happy to help in case you needed it. Well, now if you like this video, why not hit the like button and click onto the subscribe as well, because here on my channel you're going to see good stuff, good tech product reviews, detail and to the point right on your screen. And this is all is free as well guys. I'm not charging you a penny guys. Right then, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.